Hey, how are you? Welcome back. So this is part 3 of Grandma's recipe box. So this is a metal army green recipe box. You can see, like, this is old. And so we've been going through my Grandma Marge's recipes, and we have discovered a lot of dessert. And only 3 savory things, so only 3 meals. The rest have been desserts. So we'll see. I'm doing these videos in 10-minute increments, so we'll see how many parts we have. We still have plenty of recipes to go through. So this is a lot of fun, so let's get into this one. Okay, so this is Fun-O-Meter, or Fun-O-Meter. Games, tricks, stunts, and goofy recipes for parties and gatherings of all kinds. How cute is this? Oh, do you have what type of laugh do you have? A snappy snicker, wise guy, a giddy giggle, a tummy bouncer, a horse laugh, or a Grand Canyon chuckle? That's so funny. Let's see if there's any recipes in here. Oh yeah, peanut brittle, molasses taffy, popcorn balls, cocoa fudge, panouche, brown sugar, milk, butter, vanilla. 1 cup of nut meats. Huh. Maybe that's like a brittle? Let's see. Games, tricks, and stunts. That's cute. That's funny. It's for your parties. Okay, this is... Let's see if it's labeled. Sugar, egg yolks, lime juice, egg whites, sour cream, coffee maybe? I don't know. 8. Something with a G and some that looks like waffles, and then you freeze it in a 1-quart pan. That's interesting. So funny, like most of this stuff, like we don't eat. I don't know what this is. Keep going. Butter, sugar, eggs, you know the drill. So let's see what else is here. Oh, this one's typed. Being careful. Grandma's applesauce cake. I've heard of the applesauce cake. So my grandma wrote or typed somebody, this was her grandma's applesauce cake. So I got to put that to the side. So that's an old recipe. B. So this is a, I don't know, stationery. Somebody with a B. Now her maiden name was Birch. So it could be cream, butter, sugar, egg yolks, milk, flour. I don't know. Maybe rum? A teaspoon of rum? Mrs. Bernstein recipe. Oh, I think it's pound cake. Very good. That's the note. Very good. Mrs. Bernstein's pound cake. Nut bread. Wow, this paper is very thin. Ooh, I'm going to be careful. Very careful. Looking for a date. That's something to remember. If you share recipes, or, I mean, we don't really do that much anymore. But if you share recipes, or you have recipes, it would be nice to write the date on things so that your kids and your grandkids and your great-grandkids will know about when it was. So this is a little piece of an advertisement. It says 1949. I don't know what it belongs to. Maybe it belongs to this. That's possible. Maybe I could put that together. Okay. Here is a hand written. Now, I think all of these stains and stuff on this page, I think it's from like butter and grease and Crisco on the hands. Mary Met's cinnamon coffee cake. And her Red Devil's food cake. Oh, that would be fun. I don't see anything in here that will make it red. Shortening, sugar, eggs, flour, baking powder, salt, water, vanilla, cocoa, boiling water, soda. I don't know what makes it red. But look at that. That one must have been made quite often. Let's see. This is chocolate cake. Very good. Oh, this is one of my great aunts. Her address is on here. No date, though. Oh, that's neat. All right. Flour, shortening, baking powder, raisins, sugar, milk. Scotch rounds. Scotch rounds. I think that's a cookie. Oh, somebody was using the calligraphy pen. Frosting. I think we're halfway through. 3-in-1 upside bake. Noodles, evaporated milk. Oh, I don't want evaporated milk. Well, maybe. Okay, it's not sweetened condensed milk. It's evaporated milk. Okay. Eggs, tomato soup, grated cheddar cheese, onion, butter, one can of luncheon meat cut into 12 pieces. That might need to be adapted. I'm not sure about that. You put it in a square pan. Look at this paper. It's like looks like linen paper. So cool. Golden puffs. Yeah, there's the dessert. Very good. And you fry them. Ooh, grandma. I'm going to put this one to the side in the savory. We're going to have to figure out that luncheon meat part, because I don't know. Maybe I'll just like chop up some rotisserie chicken. Pecan cake. You don't cream shortening. You don't beat eggs. Soft as silk cake flour, Betty Crocker. Butterscotch cake. Yeah. Oh, here's an article about a little girl. Her name was Marlene, and she was unable to swallow food at birth. She had surgery, and it was successful. How cool is that? So, is there a date on here? Oh, that would be good. Let's see. All right, we're getting ready to have to end this one. Margaret's white candy. White sugar, white caro, hot water, 3 egg whites to form stiff peaks. Candy. That's cool. That'll be fun to experiment with. All right, I think this is going to be it for this part. So that's part 3. Plain chocolate caramels. Look at this paper. It's like a ledger paper. And then on this side, it's purchases journal. Date, account, credit, address, amount. So there aren't, and it's not filled out, but I guess it's page 93. How cool is that? So neat. All right, on to part 4.